Hello friends, welcome to the Fundamental Pharmacy. Hope everybody is fine and everybody is okay in this pandemic situation. Today I am making this video because a lot of students used to ask me, sir, what are the different standard recommended books for each and every subject. So I will discuss, I will demonstrate all the subject and subject wise standard reference book in today's video. So welcome you all, सबका वीडियो में आज स्वागत है. So if you want to know very interesting facts, you must watch this video until the end. ठीक है, आपको ये वीडियो आखिर तक देखना चाहिए क्योंकि इसमें आपका आपके मोस्ट ऑफ द सवालों का जवाब मिलेगा आपको. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट एंड डिफरेंट स्टैंडर्ड रेफरेंस बुक रिकमेंडेड. ठीक है, so we will start our video. My name is Sachin Jadhav from Fundamental Pharmacy. I will not take more introduction, just we will start. Okay, so subject and their reference book, subject and their respective reference book recommended for the preparation of GPAT, NIPER, drug inspector, government pharmacist, or other exams like government analyst, drug control officer, or government lectureship. If you are preparing for these kind of exam like GPAT, NIPER, drug inspector, and pharmacist, so you will have a paper of technical syllabus from all BPharm syllabus. So there will be questions from each and every subject. Okay, so you must have to read each and every subject for these kind of exams. Okay, so first is pharmaceutical engineering. If you want to study pharmaceutical engineering, you can, which books are the standard reference book recommended for pharmaceutical engineering or unit operations. So okay, so first one is pharmaceutical engineering by CVS Subramaniam. It is one of the very good book and easy to understand. You can read pharmaceutical engineering from this book. There is another book known as Tutorial Pharmacy. Tutorial Pharmacy by Cooper and Gunn. It is also good book, but if you don't understand the language of this, because this book is written by foreign author, so little bit language is hard. Okay, again you will find some part of pharmaceutical engineering in the Industrial Pharmacy by Leon Lakeman. Okay, so you can find few chapters in this book also. Also you will find some few chapters in the Remington Pharmaceutical Sciences. Okay, so these are the four uh, recommended books for the pharmaceutical engineering. Out of these four you can refer any two. I think these first and second are enough. Okay, so still if you want to read each and everything, you can refer all books. It's up to you. For example, if you talk about the physical pharmacy, what are the different recommended reference books? So first book is a standard book is Physical Pharmacy by Martin. It is it is written by foreign author and it is a very good book for physical pharmacy. If anybody is not able to understand the language of Martin, then he or she can refer the Physical Pharmacy by CVS Subramaniam. It is very easy and you can understand easily. The language is very easy. Again, there are if you, there is another book for physical chemistry. I think for physical chemistry known as Bala and Bal. Okay, if you want to read physical chemistry, you can read from this Bala and Bal. Physical chemistry by Bala and Bal. Okay, if you want to read physical pharmacy in very short time of span, then you can read this Physical Pharmacy by Derley. Okay, these are the books for physical pharmacy. If we talk about the dispensing pharmacy, which are the different standard reference book for dispensing. So for dispensing pharmacy, first one is Cooper and Gunn, Dispensing for Pharmaceutical Students by Cooper and Gunn. That is one of the best book for dispensing pharmacy. Okay, then if you want to read Indian author, you can read Diploma Pharmacy book, Pharmaceutics, second by R.M. Mehta. Again, somebody if want foreign author, he or she can read from Remington, but not each and everything is given in Remington as far as dispensing pharmacy is concerned. Okay, so you can read these three books for dispensing pharmacy. Now we will take what are the different standard books for industrial pharmacy. Okay, so it is recommended if anybody is studying industrial pharmacy, he or she must read one of the most beautiful book and one of the most important book for every kind of exam. Okay, you must read Theory and Practice of Industrial Pharmacy. Theory and Practice of Industrial Pharmacy by Leon Leckman. Okay, so there are two editions. The foreign author edition is different and Indian edition is different. So Indian edition is also good and it is also good. It is easy to understand. So you can read this Theory and Practice by Industrial Pharmacy, Leon Leckman, CBS publication, that is Indian edition. Okay. Again, if you want to read, you can read from Ansell's dosage form. It is also one of the good book. Then Pharmaceutics by Alton is also good. Then still, if you want to get deep in the subject, you can read Banker's Modern Pharmaceutics. You can read Banker's Modern Pharmaceutics. And also there are some few topics given in the Cooper and Gunn dispensing for pharmaceutical science, Cooper and Gunn. So out of these 4 or 5 books, you can refer Theory and Practice of Industrial Pharmacy by Leon Leckman, CBS publisher, Indian edition. Okay, that is the best. And if anybody wants to read, he can read from Ansels also. These two books are enough for industrial pharmacy. If you talk about the biochemistry, obviously, if you take name of biochemistry, the first book comes in mind is nothing but the Biochemistry by Satyanarayana. It is one of the best book for biochemistry, and there are a lot of books for biochemistry even, but my particularly Satyanarayana is my one of my favorite. Okay, there is other there is another. If anybody want to read foreign author books, you can read Biochemistry by Harper's or Biochemistry by Lellingers. Okay, but this Satyanarayana is enough, I think, for any kind of exam, for the para competitive exam. Satyanarayana Biochemistry is enough. There are a lot of books. I have not listed all the books. These are the only I have listed only few important books. Okay. Again, if you want to read anatomy physiology, you can read anatomy physiology from this Rawson and Wilson. Anatomy Physiology by Ross and Wilson. That is one of the most beautiful book and very fascinating book. That is Anatomy and Physiology by Ross and Wilson. And if anybody wants to read again deeply, he or she can refer Anatomy Physiology by Tortra. Okay. As far as organic chemistry is concerned, Morrison Boyd is the one of the old and very good book for organic chemistry. But as it is a foreign language book, as it is a foreign author book, the if you are able to understand the language, you can read. If you are not able to understand the language, you can read from the Indian authors. Okay, so another book is there known as Organic Chemistry by Clayton. It is also a foreign author book. And as far as Indian authors are concerned, you can read Organic Chemistry from this Organic Chemistry by Balam Bal, and most of the students they used to read from this book only. Okay, so Organic Chemistry by Balam Bal, it is also one of the good book. Then if anybody wants to read another book for organic chemistry, particularly for the stereochemistry part and particularly for the heterocyclic compound, the O.P. Agarwal, Organic Chemistry by O.P. Agarwal is the good. Okay, for there is one special book for rearrangement reactions by Sanyal. You can read this book also. For medicinal chemistry, as it is a important subject made from medicinal chemistry, you can read medicinal chemistry from either from this Kadam Mahadik Botra. Medicinal chemistry by Kadam Mahadik Botra. That is from Nirali Prakashan. You can read this. This is also enough for medicinal chemistry. And if anybody wants a good knowledge, and if anybody wants a deep study, then he or she can read from Wilson and Griswold. Medicinal chemistry by Wilson and Griswold. Okay. Again, there is a one of the this Patrick, Medicinal Chemistry by Patrick. It is a very good book. I think it is a particularly my favorite. Medicinal Chemistry by Patrick. Then again, you can read Medicinal Chemistry from Algar Swami. There are 2 volumes of Algar Swami 1 and 2, volume 1 and 2. You can read this Medicinal Chemistry from Algar Swami or Foy. It is recommended that you must read these 2 books, Kadam Mahadik Bothra and Patrick. These are enough for the for the your medicinal chemistry. Patrick and your Kadam Madi Gotra is enough. Again, if you want to read a microbiology, if you want to read a microbiology, you can read from these authors like Microbiology by Anant Narayan and Panikar. Microbiology by Anant Narayan and Panikar, it is a standard reference book. Again, if you want to study, you can study from Microbiology and Biotechnology by Ashutosh Kar. It is also given in very short. Okay. But Ashutosh Kar is mostly industrial microbiology oriented. It is industrial microbiology oriented. So you can refer this Anant Narayan and Panikar either, or if you don't want to read standard reference book, you can refer this Microbiology by Kokri by Nirali Prakashan. It is also sufficient book for microbiology. Okay, this Microbiology by Kokri is sufficient for microbiology. And if anybody wants really good knowledge from microbiology, he or she can refer this Microbiology by Pelzer. Again, in the next subject, that is pharmacognosy. If you talk about the pharmacognosy, you can read pharmacognosy from either Gokhale Kokade. It is one of the old and very popular book that is known as Gokhale Kokade. You can read from this. This is also sufficient. If anybody wants more knowledge, he can read from Trees and Evans. Pharmacognosy by Trees and Evans. Again, this Valley's pharmacognosy is there. Okay, this Biren pharmacognosy is there. If anybody don't want to read from Gokhale Kokade, he or she can read from Biren. Okay, another, if you want to study the microscopy and practical pharmacognosy, you can refer this Khandelwal. Okay, this is one of the good book for microscopy and practical pharmacognosy. So practical pharmacognosy by Khandelwal. Then again there is one more book called as Pharmacognosy by Rangari. It is also good. Then Herbal Drug Technology by Agrawal and Maheshwari. Herbal Drug Technology by Agrawal and Maheshwari. It is also good for herbal drug technology. Then again, if you want to study pharmaceutical analysis, you can study from one of the most important book, that is Analytical Chemistry or Instrumental Analysis by Skoog. Then another Harvey Analytical Chemistry is there. Harvey Analytical Chemistry. These books are available with the most of the students. Then Instrumental Analysis by Chatwal. This is the one of the most important. If you read this book, this single book, no need to read any other. Okay. So if you want to prefer foreign book, you can read from this Cook as far as pharmaceutical analysis is concerned. And if you don't want to read foreign author books, then you can refer this Instrumental Analysis by Chatwal. Okay, Chatwal and Anand. Instrumental Analysis by Chatwal Anand. Then again, there for volumetric there is a Vogel. If you want to study well for the spectroscopy part, you can read from Silverstein. And there is also Nirali Prakashan book that is known as Kasturi Analysis Volume 1st and 2nd. Okay, for spectroscopic problem particularly Y.R. Sharma is good. Okay, then next pharmacology. If you talk about the pharmacology is a very important subject. It is a major subject for GPAT, NIPER and other exams. Okay, so you can read pharmacology from different books. So one of the most beautiful and fascinating book, and particularly my favorite book, that is known as Pharmacology and Pharmacotherapeutics by Sataskar Bhandarkar. It is one of the best book. You can clear your concept, basics as well as applied study in the from this book Sataskar Bhandarkar. It is published by Popular Prakashan. Now it is published by I think Elsevier publication. Okay, so you can read this book. Then again second popular book for pharmacology is nothing but the Essentials of Medical Pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi. These two books are enough. These two books are enough for pharmacology. But still, if anybody wants to read from foreign books, he or she can read Illustrated Pharmacology by Lippincott. Again, he or she can read from Rangendale. He or she can read from Pharmacology by Rangendale Pharmacology. Then again, if you want to read from topmost book of pharmacology, you can read Pharmacological Basis for Therapeutics, Goodman and Gilman. Okay. Again, FSK Barar Pharmacotherapeutics is there. Then, if anybody don't want to read these books, just want to read a short notes or a review of pharmacology, then he or she can read Review of Pharmacology by Gupta and Garg. This is also one of the good book. And for biotechnology, if you think about the biotechnology, you can read biotechnology from Satyanarayana book, that is enough. Or you can read biotechnology by Kokri Nirali Prakashan, that is also good. But if you want to prepare for mostly the NIPER, then you must read biotechnology from either Satyanarayan or biotechnology from CK Dubey. That is these two books are compulsory if you want to study biotechnology. Okay, these are the basics are given in these books. Okay, so other important books like now PCI syllabus has included and has made a lot of changes in the syllabus. Not I would not like to say a lot of changes, but they have made uh, two remarkable changes in the syllabus. Okay, so that is nothing but they have added quality assurance, which is a good thing. You will get a idea about the industrial working and industrial regulations, and they have decreased the syllabus of your pharmacognosy. Okay, and also they have added pharmacy practice, one of the subject in the syllabus. So if you want to read like pharmacy practice, quality assurance, or drugstore business management, or biostatistics and computer application, you can read from local publishers like either Nirali Prakashan is good, then Thakur publication is also good. Okay, you can read those books, those publication books for this subject: computer application, then your hospital pharmacy, pharmacy practice, quality assurance, drugstore business management. And if anybody is interested, this book is very good book, Review of Pharmacy by Leon Sherkill. It is a very good book. You can revise all the pharmacy by just reading the one book, that is known as Review of Pharmacy by Leon Sherkill. Okay, so now we will discuss about the what are the different books for GPAT, because that is a sorry, one subject is remaining, that is known as jurisprudence. Okay, for jurisprudence, either you can read from Forensic Pharmacy by CK Kogate, Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence from NK Jain, Forensic Pharmacy by BM Mittal, then Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence by Yadav and Mari. So out of these, my favorite is BM Mittal, Forensic Pharmacy by BM Mittal, or you can read Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence by NK Jain. These two books are very good. NK Jain and BM Mittal. These two books are very good for pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Okay. Now we will discuss about the GPAT books. GPAT books. So what are the different books recommended for GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector, Government Pharmacist, and other pharma competitive examinations? Okay. So fundamentals of GPAT, NIPER, DI, Pharmacist. This book, this is the first edition of this book, and it is written by me only. Okay, so it is also available. It is one of the very good book. It has a very good demand in the market. Okay, so fundamentals of GPAT, chapter wise notes and chapter wise MCQs are given in this book. Again, GPAT Cracker Achiever, written by me only. So this book is only MCQ oriented and only important MCQs. So there are question banks, GPAT Cracker and Achiever question banks are given in the book. So short, there is GPAT Cracker question bank 2.5 thousand MCQs with answer, and GPAT Achiever question bank 2.5 thousand MCQs with short explanation of answer. All these are different. Both MCQs are different, and from this book you can expect as it is question in the exam up to 30 questions. Okay, up to 30 questions, maximum 30 questions will be there in the exam from this book, GPAT Cracker Achiever. Okay, and if you want to study seriously, if you want to study for, if you want to go for rank, you can read this fundamentals of GPAT. Okay, again Pearson GPAT guide is there. It is also a good book. Then GPAT companion by Inamdar, it is also very popular and old book. Then Muhammad Ali is there. If anybody don't know the names of GPAT books, he or she can watch this video, and he will he will come to know what are the different GPAT books. Okay. Again, there is a Piyush GPAT cracker, name as Piyush GPAT cracker. So okay. So I would like to recommend two books. If anybody wants, if anybody, I would recommend, obviously I will recommend my book, Fundamentals of GPAT. This book is very good. Okay, if anybody don't want to read my books, this GPAT and fundamentals of GPAT and GPAT cracker achiever, then he or she can read theory part from this Pearson book. Okay, Pearson is it is a one of the good book. Theory part is good. Okay, I would not like to make comments on the MCQ, but theory part you can revise the theory part. Obviously, no book, there is no book where you can find each and every point. Okay, so there are loopholes in every book, there are mistakes in every book. So no one can tell there is any book that is a perfect book. Okay, so PUG pad cracker is also a good. So you can prefer either fundamentals of GPAT or Pearson GPAT guide, and this for last minute. And if you want to prepare GPAT in last month, you can prefer this GPAT cracker achiever book. Okay, so this is about the different standard books and GPAT books. So this GPAT book, Fundamentals of GPAT, if you anybody wants to order, he or she can order from me. My number is given over here. And this cracker achiever is also, anybody wants, they can order from me. You can WhatsApp on this number 9766654377. Okay, you can see number in the screen. Again, thank you very much for watching this video, and I am Sachin Zadav winding up today's video. Oh, and lastly, I would like to say you, we have different groups, WhatsApp groups. We have more than 35 groups, and if anybody wants to join our group free of cost, he or she can message on my WhatsApp number, that is 9766654377, highlighted in the yellow color. And you have to message your name, your full name, college name, year of pharmacy, and you have to send the ID card of your college. Then your number will be added in the group. Okay. We also have separate group for girls. If anybody wants, any girl wants to join only girls group, she can join by the same procedure. Okay. And we also have free test series for GPAT and NIPER. Anybody wants to attend, he or she can go in the Play Store. He download the application known as GPAT Master, and sign up, and they can attend the exams pre-test. Okay. So in 2018 we have more than 100 plus qualification in the GPAT, and 10 plus students are pursuing their EMS in the NIPER. In 2019 we had 300 plus qualification in the GPAT, 25 placed in the NIPER. Again in 2020 there was around 450 plus qualification in the GPAT. Okay, and all India rank 1 to 80. Lot of good score are from our groups, and most of our groups are free of cost. Okay, most of the groups are free of cost. Daily you will get MCQs, daily you will get some study material, you will get some if anybody has guidance, if anybody want guidance, they can call me directly. And also I used to have Google Meets and Zoom meeting in the groups frequently. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I would like thank you very much for your precious time. So I hope you will have understood different subjects and their what are their standard reference books. So you might be have cleared out about the books. Okay, which is a very first steps. which is the very first step for the study to start your study. Thank you very much.